Cozy. Y'all, my gas was only $28. So y'all, I just came from the gas station. Oh, where she went? She is gone. Oh, shoot, I should have went that way. What's up now? Y'all, we about to get on the interstate. It's so many people at this gas. Well, he been sitting there for a minute though. Y'all, but we on the way now. I just had to do a pit stop and get some gas. And y'all seen it. My gas is only $30. Oh, thank God. Because it's every time I turn around, I gotta pay for something. Like, I can't do it. I can't do it, y'all. Call my name somewhere. It's y'all. No, that John General is too. Yeah. Oh, y'all, let me call Jada because we need to pray. And I didn't even get a car wash while I was down here, so I gotta get it. Oh my gosh, the music was on the whole time. Hey, let's go. Hello? Yeah, oh, I called you, girl, I forgot what I called you for. We gotta pray before we get on the road. So. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay. Lord, I'm gonna pass it. Lord, I just thank you for giving us this day today and waking us up this morning, Lord. Please just keep us safe on the dangerous highways and byways, Lord, and keep us protected, Lord, and keep us on a level set of mind for this semester of school, Lord, and do it for us. That's all I gotta say. Amen. Alright. Why is this car going so slow? Y'all need to see this. We're leaving our people. I am so sad. I'm so sad, y'all. I'm so sad. Really. That's crazy. But we finna get on the interstate, so I'll catch y'all back when I guess we're halfway into the ride. We got a 2-hour drive, so. Y'all, wait. Before I leave, look at this car. Why are we going 40 miles per hour? Like, but y'all see it. Pensacola Beach to Tallahassee. Okay, bye y'all. Our crash. Yo, we're back. So tonight we're gonna do some content and we're going to Jada's gonna be doing our makeup. I need to get my MacBook and also what else do I need to do? I gotta go to the store. I gotta go to the hair store. So let me bring my with me. With May. So right now we're going to the hair store because I need some lashes. I'm gonna give y'all a get ready with me to go to the second semester of school. Everything is so close up here, literally. Okay, y'all, let's go. Let me put my phone up. I don't usually do that, but behind camera now, I gotta. So we're closing the door and we're going to the hair store. Doop, 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 doop. Okay. What did I come in here for? Y'all, every time I go walk in the hair store, I always come in here and end up getting something totally different. I love looking at the lip glosses. Is it just me? Like, I love, and this is my favorite one. But right now, I'm on the Fenty Beauty, like, really bad. Oh, I do need a new wig, man, but these, ugh. What the fuck? Disgusting. Okay, y'all, but pink is kind of cute, but I'm looking for like you know, the silver kind. I don't really too much do all those colors. I love the bling, plain bling, but like, excuse me. I'm just looking for some lashes. Oh, here we go, right here. Okay, y'all, I love these lashes. Number 13 is usually my favorite. So this is the problem I'm having. I'm just biting my heart right now, but it's me again. But no, I gotta go to like, that is the most annoying thing ever, but I gotta go to the Best Buy store tomorrow because I don't even know if I'm gonna have time tomorrow. Anyways, y'all, I gotta go to the Best Buy store because I don't know why the camera is so blurry, first of all. Y'all seen it. My girl did my makeup. Last time she did me a pink under eye. So if y'all see them pictures, yeah, she did it. Y'all, I gotta call. Oh, she is hanging up on me. Hold on. Who else can we call? Let's see. Let's call Berber. He ain't gonna know what the heck to do. Okay. Dad. Dad, it is a bird in our house.
A bird?
Yes. Yes. It is a, I swear I'm not tripping. I swear that.
Next time you call me like this or call us like that, make sure it's a burglar or somebody else in the house.
No, no, no. This is serious.
A bird?
Yes. There's a bird in the house. What are we supposed to do?
So that's what you do.
Y'all, it is a bird in our house, like real deal. This isn't. Call Jada, because she calling me.
Alright.
Where is
She downstairs told us, it's your phone.
They thought I was tripping. They come in the house, getting some food, and a bird flew, like, I don't know, it flew over us. And they didn't see it, and they thought I was tripping.
Okay. Okay. Tell I'm scared. I can't move. No, I really can't. Oh my gosh. Jenna, call somebody. I'm really. Jen, I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. Y'all, just so y'all know I'm not lying. Look at that. Look at that. If you try to connect to the thing, it don't work. So y'all, we're gonna wash this makeup off our face because I don't go to sleep makeup anymore. I'm gonna get some CeraVe. Yeah, I wanted to go outside and get all my face stuff, but I really can't. I am scared, terrified. That thing was in our ouch. That thing was in our reef on our door. This is gonna be at the end of today's video. I was gonna give y'all like the little lashes thing, but man, that bird done tired me out. Y'all, I can't do it. The bird done tired me out. So I'll probably make that a separate video tomorrow. Bye.